Hi everybody, Karen and Shannon here with Wandering Out Yonder. We're going to be doing the Hosack Trail today.
Yes.
Here in Caledonia State Park. And we have my Aunt Frankie and my sister Jessica.
Yay!
From Tennessee and California. And we're going to be hiking the trail and you get to enjoy us.
Yes.
Enjoy us or the trail?
Oh, and join us.
What video are we making
What
today?
are we doing here?
So we are getting ready to take a right here, heading north on the Appalachian Trail. This trail will take you to the Quarry Gap Shelter, but we're going to catch the Hosack Trail, I think, once we get up here. Loop around back to the Quarry Gap Shelter and then back down. So here we go. So we've made it to the top here. We can either go north, which is where we're going, I
think
believe.
I took her on Three Valley.
All right. Making it up the trail. Flowers are blooming everywhere. It's gorgeous out. All right, turning right here. Now, down at the end of this trail, there's a little spot called the Christmas Tree. You can go left here, down here, and it'll take you right to the Quarry Gap Shelter, or you can go straight. And there's another trail off of that. We'll take you to the Hosack Trail. So we're gonna make a decision once we get down here.
Choices.
Yeah. Say hey.
Hey, homies.
Hey, Alex. You making it, bud?
I am, here I am.
How's the trail?
That was great.
Jessica?
How was the hill up?
Great, it's beautiful.
All right, so we have reached this junction that way to the Quarry Gap Shelter, or straight and around the Hosack Trail, and then back out this way.
Oh, we
So.
looped. This is the beginning of the lollipop.
Yes.
That was the stem.
Hey everybody, we had to end the hike a little bit earlier today. I have a hurt back and it ended up really hurting on the trail and I couldn't continue. I offered to let them go forward
He was being a gentleman.
and they were like, nope. They said, no man left behind, group in, group out.
That's right.
So we came out, and played in the river, and it's been a great day. And I took some ibuprofen. I'm feeling good.
And you got to listen to your body. I think it's important when your body's telling you no, don't push it past that point.
It was
So,
my mom's story of her back.
yep.
I was like, yeah, because she said the last time her back hurt, they kept pushing, and she ended up at the ER.
Right.
I don't want to go there.
Right. So, and the trail's not going anywhere, so we'll be back.
Yep.
All right.
So anyhow, we stuck together as a group and we came back as a group. Had a good day though, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right. See you later.
Oh, wait, look, there's people, other people. Whoa!
Are we doing something illegal over here?
Yeah.
All right, so Karen, you guys have seen Alex and Jessica
in the videos before, but Karen actually has 2 other sons.
Yes.
Yep.
This is Caleb. You're supposed to say Caleb.
Yeah. Caleb is the youngest, and Sean is the oldest.
Hi, I'm
The
Sean.
bookends.
Yep.
Caleb.
Somebody's behind. Blake. Hurry up.
When it gets so old, I just take it out. And I just go beyond the bridge. Yeah, we have to find out what's the mystery behind this bridge.
Okay, we got our bat marker. We see a little piece of fabric. Yeah. Right here. Yeah. Put a bat marker down. Oh, thank you. Yeah. So